Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I have a Walmart grocery haul combined with what's in my husband's lunchbox. If you like these type of videos, I'd love if you stuck around and subscribed. I plan on adding weekly grocery hauls with meal ideas and some recipes. So let's get right into the grocery haul. This is my Walmart grocery haul for this week. I'll just start over here with the water enhancer. This week I got the raspberry lemonade and the strawberry watermelon. Those are both pretty good. I actually really like the tropical pineapple mango. That's my favorite. 2 packs of the brown gravy mix for Salisbury steak that I'm making this week. And I just got like a big thing of chocolate pudding to have on hand. And a thing of shredded cheese just to use throughout the week. I also got the 12-pack of vanilla Activia, and I also got the Great Value vanilla yogurt. I guess if you can't tell, I really like the vanilla yogurt, and my husband and daughter will also eat that. I got some just plain bagels, and I've been using the strawberry cream cheese on it. Those are really good. Over here I just have some strawberry applesauce for my toddler and a thing of frozen strawberries. We just eat them thawed out or just throw it in some of the yogurt. These fruit snacks are so good. We pretty much get these every week and we all eat them. These are just some cheese crackers with the peanut butter in them. And these Cheez-It Grooves are so good. This is our first time trying them, and I cannot wait to try some of the other flavors that they have. And I got a big bag of the white cheddar fully loaded popcorn for just snacking. So this is my first time getting the vanilla caramel creamer. I usually get the caramel macchiato, so I'm hoping I actually like it. I got over here the Cinnamon Toast mini Eggo waffles and 2 things of the brown sugar cinnamon Pop Tarts. In my opinion, they're just as good as the name brand. And some Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. Over here I have 3 of the Meat Lovers breakfast bowls. These are really good and they're less than $2 each, so can't beat that. And I also really like the ones with the sausage and gravy. Over here, I just have the cheese tortellini. That's another meal that I'm going to be making this week. I probably should have gotten 2 bags for that, but this pasta sauce is what I'm going to be using with that. And then these Sunkist are my husband's. He has to have that every week. And over here I got some julienne potatoes that I'm going to be making a casserole with. I'm going to add some other ingredients to those potatoes. And just a can of green beans and peas. And these Idaho home-style buttery mashed potatoes are super easy. I got some thin-sliced turkey breast for just sandwiches throughout the week for me. And another meal that I'm going to be making this week is the Zatarain's jambalaya with cheese. And I just always get the skinless smoked sausage and cut it up and throw that in it. My husband really loves that, and it's like hit or miss with my toddler whether she'll eat it or not. And that's it for the week. I actually put 3 pounds of hamburger already in the fridge, so I also got that. And each week I try to keep it at 100 or less. So tonight we have some chicken Alfredo with some bacon on top and some peas. And then he's taking some just vanilla yogurt with cinnamon sugar sprinkled on top. This chocolate chunk chewy granola bar. And these fruit flavored Mott's snacks. They're really good. With a brown sugar and cinnamon Pop-Tart. And some spicy nacho Doritos. So that's everything he's taking for lunch tonight. So for day 2 of what's in my husband's lunchbox, I've packed him some chicken fried rice that I made. I'll admit on camera it doesn't look very pretty, but it tastes so good. And then we have some chocolate brownies with some strawberries, and I sprinkled a little bit of sugar on top. And the same as yesterday, he's taking these spicy nacho Doritos, and that's it. It's day 3 of what's in my husband's lunchbox. So today I packed him a pork loin that I made with some cheesy potato casserole, a banana, some more of those strawberries, and another chocolate brownie. We made it. It is day 4, the end of the week, of what's in my husband's lunchbox. I made beef stroganoff with meatballs. It was super easy, like 4 or 5 ingredients. Peas left over. He's gonna take one of these chewy s'mores granola bars, some Cheez-Its, and some more of that vanilla yogurt with cinnamon sugar on top. And that's it.